Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn about my pet. My pet. My pet is a dog. Its name is Bruno. It is brown and white. Bruno is very friendly and playful. It likes to run and play with the ball. It eats dog food and drinks fresh water. I take my pet for a walk every day. Bruno keeps our family happy. I love my pet very much. My pet is my best friend. This is my friend Sam. He has a pet, too. Hi Sam.
Hi Lisa.
Tell us about your pet.
My pet is a parrot. Its name is Polly. It is green in color. It has a red beak and a long tail. My parrot is beautiful and friendly. It likes to eat fruits and seeds. It can say a few simple words. I give it fresh water every day. I love to play and talk with my parrot. I love my pet very much.
Oh, that's great. Some people like to pet the following animals: cat, hamster, guinea pig, rabbit, birds, fish. Do you have a pet? Then, draw a picture and color it. Bye bye friends. Enjoy the day.